morning, folks. Day number something. It's August 9th, and we did 18.7 miles yesterday to this incredible campsite. Like, absurd view. The sun was setting back there and like just casting super cool colors on these little mountains around us, but moving out again today. If we average 18s for the next 6 days, we will finish the trail in 6 days. So next Wednesday, we're 110 miles from the end. It's crazy. We're gonna mosey along this morning and see what we can do. Aiming for at least 18. 20 would be cool. 22 would be even better. But we'll see. See what happens. So we're almost out of this little meadow here, or valley, that we were camped in last night. Beautiful views all morning. Just crazy views. So it's about 1,000 feet we've climbed up. Once we're done, we got maybe 200 more feet. And then we drop back down about 900 feet. Then we go up about 700 feet, drop down about 600 feet. You can see where I'm going here. Up and down is where I'm going. But like the Appalachian Trail we used to call PUDs, pointless up and downs, at least out here you get some pretty ridiculous views off these things. So not the end of the world, but definitely a challenge. And I think we're doing that most of the day today. We're making our way toward Katabatic Lake, which is right behind us. There's some moose down there. There's 3 of them. Might be able to see them walking in the background behind my fat head, but we're gonna try to get close, get some video. Let's go. So I walked over a little bit, tried to get some video. I don't know how well it came out. Didn't want to get too close to them because I didn't want, to spook them off or have them like charge me or something. But all 3 of them looked like they were male. They had racks on them, and yeah, they were so close, but they were like in the bush, maybe 2 feet more, and they would have been out. But one of them eventually raised its head up, which I think I have on video, and I think it saw me hiding in the bushes, and it went. And then the other one went and looked, and then they both started walking the other direction. So, not gonna bother them, but pretty cool experience nevertheless. But probably stayed over there for like 20 minutes, so we gotta get rolling again. Clouds are starting to form. So we're up over the second pass today. You can see where we came from just behind me. And another new set of views. It's like every pass you come over here, there's something new and crazy waiting on the other side. It's like everything's a new adventure, man. Crazy. Colorado's nuts. It's just like view after view after view, man. Like, it's view overload. Like, it's hard to stop and record, especially because we're at like 12,000, 13,000 feet. It's hard to breathe, hard to go up elevation, so it's hard to like get too many shots, but like everywhere I look, I want to take video of these views. It's just nuts. I hope you aren't getting tired of all the views, because I'm not. It's absolutely insane. Take a look at another. I'm in like absolute awe. Like, this area is insane. You can see behind me too, still snow. It's August 9th. They said I think a lot of this snow isn't gonna melt by the time new snow falls, so it's just like insanity. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I don't even know what area we're technically in. I think it's the San Juans. I'm almost positive a couple days ago we entered them, but I don't know like how long they run for, or if we are even technically in the San Juans. Just like everywhere you look. Like, I'm pretty sure this whole video is just gonna be views. Like, look at it. Everywhere you look, and every time you go over one of these little passes, it's new views. Like, the mountains just don't end. Crazy. Hopefully no rain, though I see dark clouds around. Mileage is coming slow, but a lot of uphill, and I'm recording a ton today, so whatever, it happens. So we are almost to the top of this pass, but as you can clearly see, it is looking quite dangerous over there. So I'm probably going to try to make a run for it, get up and over and down. Looks like we go down about 900 feet, so hopefully get down, but probably put this camera away because it's looking like rain for sure. It's like that almost everywhere around here. So, all right, just moving quick. It's 1 o'clock. I'm at the low level between two like passes. The clouds still look pretty gnarly. It looks like there's some rain falling from them. I have not seen lightning, have not heard thunder. But there's also clouds that way, but they look like they're blowing that way. But I'm probably just gonna stand here for a bit, just kind of gauge the scene a little more and make a decision shortly. So I decided to roll with it and go. Rain's been coming strong, so didn't record anything coming out. We're almost to the top of the pass. There's a good amount of thunder going on in the distance, like back where I was before, so hopefully nothing coming behind this, but you never know. So just gonna keep on moving, try to get over this as quickly as possible. I think gut hook's at 0.3 to the top of the pass. So we've been making our way through, but the rain just keeps coming. It would be nice if there's a little cloud break way back there. Can't see it on the cell phone though, but it's been tough. But made it up to another pass. We've gone over 2 in the rain now. Decent view, but a lot of fog, a lot of rain, and some thunder rumbling in the distance. So just gonna keep pushing on. We've gone probably 11-ish miles for the day. I think it's about 2. If I can get maybe 4 more in me, find a good spot to pop the tent up, that's what I'm gonna do. No use in hiking in this, especially in the elevation we're at. So, moving along. So we made it. Right there you can see the signs. We're on Stony Road, I think it is. We have to walk all the way up side of the mountain on this road, which is pretty damn steep and a little bit slippery with all this rain. Then once we hit the top here, we should hit segment 24. Got some 4x4s coming down. But moving along, just loving life, loving the rain, baby, woo! So I'm 17.1-ish miles into the day. It's 5:30. Still raining. There's no signs that this is gonna let up ever. I would have stopped probably in 0.8. There's a lake just above here, but I'd rather not go up, especially if like lightning comes. I'm in kind of a little valley surrounded by higher peaks, so I think this is a good bet. So I found a spot that's flat enough. It's grass, which means everything's gonna be soaked anyway, because it already is. But I'm calling it here, and we'll just try to get an early start tomorrow, but hopefully it's still not raining. But even if it is sunny in the morning, hopefully I can dry a bunch of my stuff out because everything is soaked. But gonna set up camp. Bring it. So we're in the tent, all dried up, or as dry as I'm going to get, switched into some new clothing, and just getting ready to cook some food. And I completely forgot that I packed out a nice soda for the trail. Totally forgot. It was sitting in the bag the whole time. So I guess that's the plus to the end of this pretty crappy weather day. This has been miserable. There's no secret, and I don't pretend to keep it secret. I hate hiking in the rain, especially just continued non-stop rain. And it stopped maybe for like 2 minutes total throughout the day, but it's been going strong. We were warned about this. We had an idea it was coming, but you know, sometimes you see and you just think, well, maybe it won't come, but it did. Anyways, gonna eat and just call it a night, go to bed. Hopefully the rain stops and it's nice and sunny in the morning, dry out all this crap, because everything is just drenched. But it is 18 miles to, what's that town? Silverton. So it's 17.7 technically. So in theory, I could get to Silverton tomorrow, but yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Play it by ear.